This holiday season, why don't we switch up the way we wrap our gifts? I'm gonna show you guys a couple of ideas that are fun, easy, eco-friendly, and you can personalize them to make your gifts extra special. I was at Hy-Vee earlier today doing a little shopping, and when I grabbed my bags, I thought to myself, these would be perfect to wrap some presents in. So all I did was I opened up a bag, I cut off the sides and cut off the handles and then laid it out like this. Now I'm giving some of the bottle brush trees as a gift. It's just such a fun gift idea. First, line up the top edge of your package with the top piece of your paper. Bring the bottom section of the paper up horizontally. Then push in the sides to create flaps like this. Then fold them in and kind of weave them one on top of the other. Now, just grab a little bit of tape and just tape your edge, and then finish wrapping the top like you normally would. I'm adding a little ribbon to the bottom to hide the tape and to give us an extra pop of color. And then I'm gonna put in my seeded eucalyptus. These are just so beautiful, and if you buy one bunch, you can use them for a ton of presents. And with the pocket, you can just slide it right in there. How lovely is that? I like to give a bottle of wine when I'm heading to a holiday party, and this is my favorite Pinot Noir. I like to dress it up a little bit. So I'm gonna start out with a little wine sock like this, and all you do is just put your wine in the sock. And then I'm gonna wrap it in a piece of craft paper. Super easy. I started out with a square. I just folded it in half so you've got a triangle. At one end, do an accordion or a fan fold until you get to about the middle of the triangle. I'm gonna cut a nice length of ribbon, and now you just grab your bottle and start rolling it. Tie it with some cute ribbon, and there you go. And then I'm gonna finish it off with another little sprig of eucalyptus. Isn't that such an elegant way to give a bottle of wine? I love chocolate. Now, instead of just giving someone an assortment of chocolate bars, which is a very delicious gift, I am going to step it up a little bit and wrap them in a kitchen towel. So I'm just gonna take my chocolate bar and I'm gonna wrap this around like that. Roll and roll and roll, easy breezy. And then once you get to the top, you grab your tails. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. These are some salt dough ornaments that I made, and if you want to figure out how to make these, you can actually check out one of my other holiday how-tos where I break it down for you. But this is such a fun way to dress up this present, and now it's a 3-in-1 gift. You get the chocolate, you get the kitchen towel, and you get the salt dough ornament. Reusing paper grocery bags also creates a blank canvas to dress up however you want. You can draw on it, paint it, you can even use glitter. If your kids are like mine and they try relentlessly to figure out what is under the tree, this is a really fun idea. Instead of writing their names on the presents, give them each a code name. And then the night before Christmas, you put the candy that is associated with their name in their stocking, and then they can figure out which gifts are theirs. So no peekers allowed. There's nothing like a big pile of presents under the tree. Happy holidays, and for more of my holiday how-tos, go to hstv.com.